June 16, 2012. The girls are having fun in the bedroom.
Do it, Taylor. Let's here to you. Here, stand up. Stand up, everybody. Stand up, everybody.
Sierra's talking like Dora the Explorer. Sierra, how old are you going to be next month?
I'm going to school, Tilga, and I'll come back home.
Taylor, can you jump? Can you jump? Jump, jump, jump. Here you go. Yes, Sierra, you're going to be going to school next month.
And I'll come back home.
Yeah. Getting tired, Sierra?
No.
Taylor can say thank you now. She goes, dee doo. And she just learned how to kiss me today when I say, Taylor, can you give me a kiss? Oh, and she peed on the potty today. Taylor's only 15 months. Taylor, did you pee-pee on the potty today for mommy?
Move closer.
You mean further away? Taylor, did you pee-pee on the potty for mommy?
I can jump in this side.
Are you pooping? What are you doing?
Pooping. Take a diaper on our panties on.
Diaper. She doesn't wear panties yet.
I can jump like my knees. Take it big. I hurt my teeth.
You hurt your teeth?
Yeah.
Taylor, no, baby. No. Blocked out the blinds so that they could go to sleep at night. Careful you don't jump on our heads here.
Elbow.